How to make friends more than 5,000 in Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on three lines at the top right, and here click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now simply scroll down and click on Default Audience Settings in here. In here, make sure it's public. After you make it public, save it, then go back to the list. In here, scroll down and click on how people find and contact you. Then click on who can see your friend request. After you click on it, make sure it's everyone and save it at the bottom. After you've done that, go back, scroll down and click on followers and public content. In here, make sure everything is public, which is who can follow me, who can see your followers on your timeline, people, pages, and lists you follow, and everything. Now, when you go back and when people see your profile, they'll find follow option, and you will be able to make friends above 5,000. This is how to make Facebook friends above 5,000. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.